Seal removal. The first step to removing the seal from the hub assembly is to locate it on the wheel end. The seal is on the inboard side of the hub interfacing the spindle. On drum brake applications, the seal can be seen when the brake drum is removed. On disc brake applications, depending on the rotor and hub type, the seal may appear to be deeper in the hub. Starting with the drum brake hub, set it securely with the outboard side down, exposing the seal. You will need a seal removal tool, a seal puller, or adequately sized pry bar. Insert the seal removal tool between the seal and the bearing cone. Gently work around the seal, loosening it from the seal bore. Be careful easing it out of its seat without scratching the bore or tearing the seal, especially if you need to inspect it for failure analysis. Also pay attention not to damage the ABS ring. Now turning to a disc brake hub. The presence of a rotor can complicate things as it limits access to the seal. It may take a bit longer, but with patience, the right tool and technique, the seal will come free, all without needing to detach the rotor.